Example 2, we're going to find the area of a rectangle which measures 105 meters by 32 meters. So it's given you the length and the breadth here. It doesn't matter which of these measurements you take to be the length and which you take to be the breadth. You'll get the same answer no matter what. So we're going to use the formula again. So the area of any rectangle or square is given by A equals L multiplied by B. What we're now going to do is we're going to sub in the length and the breadth. So next line down, we're going to copy our equals sign. So the length, I'm just going to take it to be the first measurement I come across, 105. And we're going to multiply that by 32. So we're going to take 32 to be the breadth. So replace B with 32. Now, the multiplication is a bit trickier here. So what we're going to do is do a bit of working out to the side. So put the bigger number on the top here, 105, and line up the 32 underneath. And then we're going to multiply. So start with the 2 in the units. 2 5s are 10, so put down our 0, carry our 1 over. 2 multiplied by nothing is nothing, plus 1 is just 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is just going to give us 2. So we need to put a 0 down now in our units column because we've used up the units here, the 2 of the 32. So we put 0 in the units column, and then that now allows us to multiply by the 3 10s. So 3 5s are going to give us 15. Put down our 5, carry our 1. 3 nothings are nothing, plus 1 is just 1. And then 3 multiplied by 1 is just going to give us 3. Then we need to add those two separate answers together to get our overall answer. So we've got nothing, we've got 6, we've got 3, and then we've got 3. So our answer here is going to be 3,360, and we need to be extremely careful with the units. The length and the breadth were both in meters this time, so that means our area will have units meters squared. And then our answer underneath again, answer 3,360 meters squared. Part B. So part B says find the area of a square of side 15 millimeters. Now it's only given us one measurement here because you know that the length and breadth of a square are the same. All sides in a square are the same. So write down the formula first for the area of any square or rectangle. A equals L multiplied by B. Copy down our equals sign. And the length and the breadth are both going to be 15. So we've got 15 multiplied by 15. Again, we can show our working out to the side here to help us do the multiplying. So again, we're going to do long multiplication. So start with a 5 in the units. 5 5s are 25. Put down 5, carry 2. 5 1s are 5, plus 2 is going to give us 7. We now need to put a 0 down in our units column because we've used up the units here in this bottom 15, so that we can now just multiply by 110. 1 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 1 is just 1. And then again we're going to add our two separate answers to get our overall answer. So add our units, we've got 5. Add our 10s, we're going to get 12. Put down 2, carry 1, and then add our hundreds. 1 and 1 is just 2. So we're going to get 225. And again, be extremely careful with units here. Go back to the question. It was a square of side 15 millimeters, so the length and breadth were both in millimeters, so that means the area will be millimeters squared. And again, we write our answer underneath. So our final answer, 225 millimeters squared.